Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a very fun haul. I recently came back from South Korea. In case you guys haven't seen my recent vlogs, we vlogged quite a bit. So definitely go check them out because I feel like this was one of the best trips of 2024. There was so much to do and so much to shop. I literally have a suitcase full of stuff, half of which is full with skincare. Korea is really known for its skincare, so I did go all out. So yeah, I have a lot of things right from skincare, a little bit of clothing, we have some fashion items, jewelry, and random tidbits. So most of the skincare products that I'm about to show you, I've picked up from Olive Young, which is basically like a Nykaa or a Sephora. Like it's a brand that holds a lot of other brands. However, I will say that if you were to go to a standalone store like an Innisfree or a Tony Moly, the prices are slightly lesser as compared to those in Olive Young. So do bear that in mind. Of course, at Olive Young, you have the convenience of getting everything that you want under the same roof. So yeah, having said that, let's get started with the skincare products. I feel like a lot of you are here to watch all the skincare that I bought. I'm going to start off with the brand called Innisfree. I think a lot of us are familiar with this brand because it's been around in the Indian market for a while. I would say it's quite readily available. The first thing that I picked up is the Volcanic BHA Pore Cleansing Foam. I've heard so many good things about this product, so I had to try it out. It's supposed to really cleanse your skin. Everyone who has used this has liked it no matter what their skin type is, so I had to get this one for myself. Then we have a product that I have used in the past and loved. This is the Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Something to note is that Korean skincare in Korea is obviously very affordable as compared to if you were to buy it here. So obviously I had to restock on this product. If you have oily skin and if you want your skin to feel deeply cleansed, you need to try this out for yourself. It's probably one of the best clay masks that I've ever used. Another brand that I feel like a lot of people are familiar with is Tony Moly. Again, it's been selling in India for a while, I think on Nykaa especially. So I picked a few products up. Another face mask. I love face masks. You guys are going to see it in just a bit. I've picked up so many face masks. So this one is the tightening and cooling pack. It's called the Egg Pore. Like it has egg ingredients in here and it's shaped like an egg. If I see something that says clay mask on it, or if it says tightening, pore care, I am immediately sold because those are things that I really want to work on, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Its packaging बहुत बड़ा है, but actually product इतना ही है. But I'm excited to try it out. Ooh, it looks very interesting. Doesn't smell like eggs at all. Smells actually very pleasant. So कुछ ऐसा texture है. It is a little bit weird and almost slimy. I absolutely love Tony Moly packaging because look at this. It's a hand cream shaped in a strawberry. It's a strawberry hand cream. Let's smell it. Again, इतना ही product है, ये ऊपर का सिर्फ packaging है. I'm not even someone who really uses hand cream. Ooh, it smells like a banana, not a banana, a strawberry milkshake. Wow, it smells so nice. Let's try it out. Wow, smells so nice. It's very lightweight as a hand cream should be. Another hand cream shaped in a banana. It's a banana hand cream. Hand cream hai na ye? Ha, hand milk hai. No, it's a cream. It's not a milk. It's just the name. Ooh, smells like a banana milkshake only. It's again so lightweight, smells great, and the cutest packaging. Clearly, I'm someone who loves cute packaging because look at this, a mini banana that comes with like a keychain, so you can attach it to maybe your bag, your wallet, maybe your phone as well. It's a lip balm. I'm gonna use it kind of like a lip gloss. Smells very nice. Next, we have products from a brand called Beauty of Joe Sen. I hope I'm saying it right. I've picked up quite a few products from them. I've recently gotten into toners. I used to be very honest, think that toners weren't as important, but Korean skincare में toners are a big thing. And I recently started using this rice toner by Plum. So I've really gotten into toners. So I picked this one up. So this is their ginseng essence water. So actually this is an essence. It's not really a toner, but ginseng is an ingredient that the Koreans love. They even have a lot of ginseng tea and they say it's really good for your skin. So I picked this up. It literally feels like water and absorbs into your skin instantly. Then we have a ginseng and retinol eye cream. The packaging is so sleek. I picked one of these up for my mom as well. Oh, and then I also picked up this viral sunscreen. So this is their Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Rice plus B5 sunscreen, SPF 50 PA+++++. I've used it. It's such a lightweight sunscreen. You can also, by the way, apply this on top of your makeup. It's a really good sunscreen. I mean, it's said that Koreans do the best sunscreens, and I will agree. This one's really good. I also got a proper rice toner. This is from the brand called I'm From, and it's called Rice Toner. वेरी सिंपल. ये वाला भी मैंने यूज किया है. बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. इट हैज लाइक अ मिल्की टेक्सचर एज यू कैन सी, बट इंस्टेंटली अब्सॉर्ब्स इनटू योर स्किन. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज लाइक रियली टैप it into your skin. Okay, on to a product that is not a part of my vanity at all. Toner pads. Now, toner pads are really popular in Korea. So I went to this brand's store, which is called Mixun. I literally just saw it and it looked so beautiful, the store. So I walked in there. I saw that they had a free skin analysis. So they give you like a detailed report of your skin, the health of your skin, the sunspots, stuff like that. And they recommended me this product. It's totally up to you if you want to buy it, not buy it. But जब मैंने toner pads देखा, I was like, okay, I don't have this product. Let's try it out. The packaging definitely is very bulky, not travel friendly. It comes with a little thing for you to like pick up the pads without like contaminating the whole thing. I have not used this yet. I still need to try all of these products out, but I'm so excited. Also got a bunch of these samples because I posted an Instagram story. So वहाँ पे ऐसा था that if you take a picture, post an Instagram story tagging them, they'll give you a bunch of these samples. So I just wanted to try and see what they actually gave, and this is what I got. I think it's time to move on to all the face masks and sheet masks. So from Tony Moly, I got 10+10 sheet mask offer. So I picked these up. I feel like collagen is really a trending topic right now. So I got these collagen elasticity care sheet masks, and I love vitamin C. It's my favorite active. So I got a vitamin C brightening mask, sheet mask. Tony Moly gave me these sheet masks for free. So usually whenever you order something a little bit more than usual, they like throw in some sheet masks for you. So these are the Intense Care 24 karat snail sheet masks. I also picked up some hand masks. So they're basically sheet masks for your hands. These are from the brand Tony Moly. Another hand mask from Innisfree. I got some for the toes as well. This is especially for my mom because she has very dry feet. So these are not the peeling kind. These are the moisturizing variant. So you just put it on and it's going to really hydrate and moisturize your feet. And another one. ये मुझे बहुत interesting लगे. So these are patches for your neck. So these are wrinkle repair hydrogel patches. As I said, collagen is a big thing. So I picked this one up as well. I'm actually not sure what brand this is from. ये वाला India में भी बहुत trend हो रहा है because I think it recently launched. So this is the Dr. Jart+ Cairo Rubber Soothing Mask. Then I saw this brand and this product which was on their best sellers list. So I picked it up because it's basically a bunch of different face masks. So ऐसे individually बहुत सारे face masks है for you to try. And I think this is such a good thing for traveling because I am someone who always travels with a clay mask. I am obsessed with clay masks. So this is going to be so travel friendly. And also it's such a nice way for you to try out a product without committing to like a full tube. So in this one, you get to try 5 different types of face masks. And when I was on the counter, I realized it was 1-on-1 free. So I got 2. Okay, so modeling clay is a huge thing in Korea. So I have used modeling clay before, never myself. Like whenever I get facials done from my dermat, I believe he uses a form of modeling clay because it looks and feels very, very similar and familiar both. So I picked all of these different ones up. So what exactly is modeling clay? Modeling clay, essentially, when you get it, it's in powder form. It's supposed to add cold water to it, whip it up, and it becomes almost like liquid jelly. It's a really cool texture. You apply it all over your face, you slather it on, it feels very, very cooling, and it becomes like rubber. Like after 10 minutes, you can literally just peel it off. So I got charcoal, lavender, vitamin C of course, and clearly my new favorite, collagen. ये सारे थे from this brand called Lindsay. This one also I picked up. Again, this is the same thing, tea tree modeling clay. Oh, I also picked up a pimple patch from the brand called Cosrx. Again, a very popular Korean brand. In the recent times, there isn't a pimple patch brand or a product that I am loving currently. So I have high hopes for this one. Okay, so we're done with skincare. We have a few random products and also like makeup products. Like I have barely like 2 makeup products, 3 makeup products. So मैंने makeup जानबूझ के नहीं लिया because I already own so much makeup. I didn't want to buy more. And also the shade situation. Like I wanted to buy cushion foundations, but clearly मेरे shade का तो मिलने नहीं वाला था कुछ भी. So मैंने थोड़ी चीजें ली. But I have to say the packaging of everything is just so cute. Like look at this. ये तो बहुत basic packaging है. It also comes with like stickers, the attention to detail. I'm gonna stick a few because why not? Look so cute. So basically it's a highlighter. How beautiful. So ये मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा because you can just go like that. It's very pigmented, so I'm trying to be careful. I love the packaging and the convenience of the packaging. बहुत cool लगा मुझे ये product. Now this was really popping up on my feed. I think it's kind of like a viral item and everyone is in love with this collab. So basically it's a 50th anniversary Hello Kitty collab with Amuse. And it's only and only because of the packaging. It looks like a little cell phone that opens up and you have 3 different types of lip products. And actually it's quite like pigmented and really like high in quality. This one's a little too light for me. I've been loving like these Barbie pink shades on my skin tone. And then we have like a jelly gloss situation. So yeah, this is definitely a product that is for your inner child. It's so cute. So Korea mein lip tints are a big thing as compared to like liquid lipsticks. Everyone uses and loves lip tints and packaging. Just look at it. It's so cute. So usually from what I saw, there were a lot of like pink shades. ये भी थोड़ा सा pinkish red hai, so I got it. It's a lip stain. It's not gonna look like this. Like I can really like blend it out. Smells really yummy. Okay, so on to the random things that I picked up. Technically, this is also skincare. I believe this is a Japanese brand. Like I overheard someone saying that. Let me show you what these are. It's such a cool innovative product. So it's a छोटू सा product. You open this up and इसके अंदर है face wash. It is so genius because I feel like when you're traveling, especially when you're like on a flight, I personally don't want to be carrying like a face wash. And this is just so convenient. It's so tiny. It's even gonna fit in your tiny bags because it's so little. It's a powder, so you like add it to water and then it lathers up and then you can wash your face. Okay, this product is absolutely innovative. Again, very cool. So this, when you look at it at first, it looks like a compact powder, something that you would use to touch up your face if you have oily skin, your clothes. It is for oiliness and for a touch up. It's a dry shampoo, but in a compact form.
What?
I mean, who could have thought? I think it's so cool. Again, something that you can carry with you in your purse. You could carry like a mini spray also, but I feel like innovative packaging is always very exciting. And I have used this, by the way. Like I could not use it. I think it works quite well. I feel like if your hair is super oily, then a dry shampoo works better. But if you have especially bangs and you don't want to like wash your bangs every day, this is so good. Then we have a nail cuticle moisturizing pen. I have one of these that I got from Amazon and I use that and I love it. So I saw this, so I was like, okay, let's pick one up. Looks like that. Oops. Same packaging है जो Amazon पे भी मिलता है. In case you wanted, I'll link the Amazon one for you guys. And then you just twist for it to dispense out the oil. And then you apply it on your cuticles. I will say that doing this has played a huge role in the health of my nails. I used to have the most brittle nails ever. And I'm happy to report that these nails that you see right here are my real nails. They're not extensions. They're my real nails. I got a deodorant stick, not a regular kind. So basically, this is a stick of alum, I believe. You're just supposed to wet it and apply it. smells like nothing, but I've seen a lot of people like rave about it and say how well it works. I think it's supposed to be like super natural or something like that. I think this is the last thing that I got from Olive Young. This is a fabric freshener. So this is something that I'm gonna be using to like spray in my walk-in wardrobe on top of my clothes, because my walk-in wardrobe is like an open one, right? So just to refresh the clothes. I also saw this one type of fabric freshener which was pure alcohol. So say if you've worn something for like 2 to 3 hours and you don't want to wash it, or you don't have the time to wash it, you can just spray that alcohol and it sanitizes and freshens up your clothes. That I didn't buy because I would just rather wash my clothes, but I like the idea of making sure that your clothes also smell very nice, and this does smell so nice. Smells like fresh sheets, like you know what clothes smell like when they come out of the wash. Smells like that into 10. Okay, so we're finally done with skincare. I think let's move on to snacks. I've heard a lot of people saying that you should go to Seoul and definitely pick up snacks and sneakers. I didn't pick up any sneakers, but everyone other than me did pick up sneakers. But I did pick up some snacks. So ये brand बहुत popular है, HBAF. I'm assuming that it's an abbreviation for like a Korean name, like a longer Korean name. There's this one big store in Myeongdong where you can literally taste all of these things. Like there are samples on the second floor, and we tried almost every single flavor and we picked some up. So basically these are almonds, but they're in the flavor of garlic bread. Who could have thought? It actually tastes so nice. Just looked it up on the internet. HBAF is healthy but
awesome flavors.
Awesome flavors. So that's an almond, but it tastes like garlic bread, and it has little garlic breads also in there. Then we have caramel salted peanuts and pretzels. ये इतना like innovative flavor नहीं है. Like salted caramel and almonds and pretzels is like something that people do, but बहुत yummy है. Then we have some more pretzels. These are butter garlic flavored. These sound so good. ये वाले मैंने try नहीं किए हैं, but it just sounded so, oh my god, it smells also so good. I saw a lot of girls picking this up from Olive Young actually. So Olive Young also has like a grocery snack section, and I saw everyone picking this up. So basically these are chips that are flavored like bagels. So let's try one. I'm not going to open all of them. I love garlic butter, clearly. So these are garlic butter bagel chips. Oh, they're bagels or they're chips? We're about to find out. I'm not sure what this is. I guess a chip. I'm not sure how healthy these are though. Okay, let's move on to clothing and fashion. Again, not something that I really shopped a lot of, but there were a few pieces that I really liked. For example, the top that I'm wearing right now, I saw a lot of girls on the streets wearing these kinds of tops, and they just looked so like comfy, but like cute and feminine. I love like the long sleeves. Very, very cute. So I got this in a white, and I also got one in a black. However, I can't find it. I hope it's somewhere in the suitcase. But yeah, it's so cute. I love it. Then I got this really cute puffy bag. Puffy bags are a big thing, and this was for 10,000 won, which is quite affordable. Oh, bag charms. Bag charms are a huge thing. This one was for 2,000 won, and I got it from Daiso. It's so cute. I actually got another one. It's a little bunny. You can't really see his eyes. Now you can, one of them. This one I've hung on most of my bags. I saw a lot of Korean girls like doing multiple bag charms and really layering them. I literally got this one from the streets for I think 120, 150 rupees. Again, street shopping में मैंने ये bucket hats देखे. They're so cute, especially this one. It's plain black but with like pearls all around it. If you're having a bad hair day, you just need to pop one of these with your hair down and it looks so cute. I definitely did get very carried away with this particular outfit. So I saw a mannequin wearing like a very goth outfit, and I was like, you know what, I don't own anything like this, so I'm just gonna buy the whole outfit. So it started off with this skirt, which is, by the way, very, very short from the back. So I had to wear a coat every time I wore this. This is definitely not something that I can wear in Mumbai, or maybe I can wear this in like really like fashionable cities. It's a dangerous outfit. Like, I wouldn't be comfortable wearing it. You can obviously wear this wherever you want to, but I wouldn't be comfortable. Then we have this black sweater. It's an off-shoulder sweater with like a leather strap, and it's like all worn out and it has like holes all over it. It's supposed to be like that. Got this choker, which I actually think is cute. Like, this is something that I could use. I know what it looks like, but I think it's quite cute. Picked up, I think, 2 sets of PJs. The material on these was so nice and so soft. So ये cherry वाला लिया, full sleeves, full pants, very, very comfy. I got this from the street. Then we have this really cute and comfy one. I got this from Daiso. This was for 10,000 won. Again, very, very soft and seems very comfy. I have a few more things from Daiso. So Daiso, I feel like I didn't have the best experience, in the sense that it was so hyped that I was expecting a lot. And I even went to this 12-story Daiso in Myeongdong. It was really big, but मुझे ज़्यादा चीज़ें नहीं मिली. Like, I was in the mood to like really shop, and I got like 5-6 things. So the first thing that I got are these very, very famous Italy scrubs, they're called. I know, Korean Italy scrubs. बहुत ही confusing name है, but they're supposed to like really exfoliate your skin. This one in particular is for your back. Like, you can cleanse your back very easily. Then I have the basic normal one as well. It's kind of like a washcloth for your entire body, but it's supposed to be really efficient at scrubbing. I have no idea why I bought this, to be very honest. Like, literally मुझे कुछ नहीं मिल रहा था, तो मैंने ये देखा तो मैंने उठा लिया. Now in hindsight, I don't know why I bought these. They were very, very affordable for 1,000 won each. Okay, these I have to show you. These are so cute. Can you guess what are these? Take a second and comment down below. What do you think are these? It looks like a coaster. Could be used as a coaster, but this is basically Scotch Brite. Like, you can use this to clean your utensils. It's so fancy and so cute. बहुत ही random find है, but I just could not buy these. Then I got this brush organizer, something that like you can just keep on your vanity while you're doing your makeup. This cute little clip, and that's everything that I got from Daiso. But the haul is not over. We still have jewelry. I need to show you guys the jewelry. So I went to this store which is called The Plane, and it was one of those epic jewelry stores. If you've like seen any of like the Korea reels, they're basically ceiling to floor jewelry stores, and they're organized so well. They look very, very aesthetic, and they did have some beautiful jewelry. I didn't buy too much, but I got a few pieces for sure. So starting off with this bracelet, very, very cute heart-shaped gold bracelet. All of my jewelry is gold, by the way. Oh, then we have this beautiful 2-layered dainty piece. It's so dainty, it's a little bit difficult for me to show you. Got the little makeup clips, but in like gold. They look so luxe. Oh, these are my favorite. How cute are these dangly earrings? So personally, I would wear these on one of my piercings and not here. Then we have these really cool rings. Oh, and look at this one. It's so cute. Bow shaped. And I also picked up this headband. It has like pearl detailing. Doesn't really work with this hairstyle or this outfit. But I love headbands, especially for bad hair days. अब सिर्फ थोड़े से knickknacks बचे हैं. I got a souvenir, which is this bottle opener. It's a soju bottle opener. So cute. बहुत सारे stickers भी खरीदे हमने. I really want to start scrapbooking, so I feel like I'm gonna use these. Oh, and the very last thing is this cute little bow, which is a bag charm. So you can like layer it with your other bag charms. Okay, and with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I think it was a long one. I shopped quite a bit, and I am so happy with everything that I got. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the South Korea haul video. If you've made it so far to today's video, make sure to leave this emoji in the comments down below. Don't forget to go check out my South Korea videos because they're so fun. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!